Hi YouTubers, what we're going to talk about today, or what I'm going to show you, is we're going to use these craft punches to cut different kinds of vinyl to decorate stuff. The really nice thing about this is you can get a lot of little designs done without actually having to cut them all. So you can put multiple different kinds of vinyl colors and never once have to get the software out, set up it, run it all through the machine. You can do this without even getting the machine out. So that's the kind of nice part about this. So let me go show you what you need. Alright, so these are craft punches. I'm pretty sure they're meant for like scrapbooking. You can find them over in the scrapbooking section in most of the craft stores. These guys I got at these guys I got at Hobby Lobby. These two came at Micheals. I have no idea where these guys came from. But these guys I got over at Hobby Lobby, and you can get them with the coupon, the 40% off coupon, and they're considered small. And then this little guy is considered an extra small. I don't know what these two are. But I found for the adhesive vinyl, you can pretty much get away with cutting most things with it. I got all of these to cut. But for the HTV, it seems to do better if it's smaller and simpler. The circle will cut most of the time. Sometimes it doesn't want to. But like this little guy cuts almost all the time. I could cut this tree, but none of the rest of them would cut with HTV. So it's a little trial and error, and this little circle worked almost all of the time. The big one was a little hit and miss. So it's a little trial and error, and then, and by no means this is before I knew. I got a little jumbo one. Yeah, it can't cut through anything. It's just a giant mess. So keep that in mind before you go crazy buying stamps. So pretty much, it's just load and cut. There is a little mark on the side, and you can also tell on the bottom where your little mark is, and then just punch. There you go. And then for these guys, all you have to do is peel, which can be a little bit easier said than done. But peel, and you can go stick them anywhere. So these would be really cute for like Christmas bags, or even just leftover scrap vinyl with the kids, and just punch and go. And then the HTV, I like to actually flip over to the back and punch it this way. I feel like kind of cuts a little bit easier. And even if it doesn't, you can kind of get away with, it'll cut the vinyl, even if it tears the carrier sheet. It doesn't matter so much. At least it cuts the circle for you. And then those are your circles. And then something else I liked to do was cut like a big circle, and then you can cut the big circle and then put it in this one. And now you can flip it over to the back and make sure it's covering it. And then and then there is a hole in the hole. So, and then for the HTV, you can apply it to clothing. You can also apply it to, I did some folders. So this little guy is all adhesive, and he's pretty much peel and stick at that point. Now this guy is actually all HTV. It's glitter, and this is a folder for like schoolwork. So you can decorate these. When I put the HTV on them, they kind of curled a little bit, but it seemed to have flattened out a while. It seemed to have flattened out again. That was my tester. All sorts of stuff. But I did some, those are HTV butterflies. Those are some more butterflies at the bottom. And then those were just the opal adhesive circles. So, and then with, was it this one? One of them I managed to melt shut, one of these folders. So if you have a folder, so My original tester folder was one of the like 15-cent ones from Target. So it's just really thin paper. This is one of the nicer ones that's got more of like a sheen or coating on it. So open them up. Because I melted one of them together. I don't know what I did with that one. So, but this is kind of something cool and fun. It's great for scraps. It's great for scraps. It's great for quick decorating. It's great for, I need something but I don't want to get the machine out and cut all of it. You know, and these punches, they're not that expensive. You find them anywhere, and they come in all sorts of different shapes. But simpler will be better and smaller will be better than the larger ones. So keep that in mind. And I will be back with another tutorial soon. I hope you liked my little quick video. So please like and subscribe. Thank you.